Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Quest for Knowledge. Today we are going to discuss all important practical oriented questions. As you can see, these all are very important. Let's discuss them one by one. So the first question is the different level of management. As you know that the level of management refer to a line of demarcation between various managerial positions. So we have top level, which is administrative level, middle level, executionary level, and low level, which is a supervisory and operational level of management. So here it is. You need to draw this and you need to write down the various heads playing various roles. Okay, so the top level we have board of directors, chief CEO and general manager. Middle level we have production manager, purchase manager, sales, marketing and public relation manager. And the operational level we have foreman, supervisor, selection of section officers and superintendents. So these all are the various level of management. By drawing this triangle and writing about them, you will easily get 5 marks without any delay. Without any kind of a problem. Second question we have, what is the Maslow hierarchy theory of needs? This is a very beautiful theory. What you need to understand about human needs. What are all the various needs a human wants? First, he desires for the psychological need, physiological need, which gives him basic needs. These all are basic and important needs like breathing, food, water, sleep. So these all are the physiological need. Second is the safety needs. We need a proper shelter, we need employment, we need family, we need health, we need property. This is all about safety need. Okay, security need or safety need. After that we have the need of belongingness, love, affection, family. So this all comes under the belongingness. After that we have esteem, that my prestige, my confidence, my position. So respect of others and how to be respected by others. So these all come under the self esteem. After that we have to understand ourself, what is our origin, our creativity, that is self actualization need. When we understand ourselves, the origin of us, then there is a need, that is self actualization need, that is morality, creativity, problem solving and accepting the facts. So these all are the various needs according to the Maslow hierarchy theory of needs. So you can go through with this. If you don't understand, if you want to need to write down some basic things, you can go through with this. Yeah, these all are the psychological needs, esteem needs, and then love and belonging, safety needs and love and belongingness. Okay, and esteem needs. When we try to have a position, personal growth, then it comes the self actualization need to win award, everything. Let's move on and discuss to the next question. In that we need to write down Henry Fayol's 10 principles of management. So these all are the 10 principles of management. Mnemonics, through mnemonics you can easily remember this, like Dadu, Soaring, The, Leo, Ek, Step. So the is a division of work and authority and responsibility, discipline and unity of command and unity of direction, Dadu. Okay. Subordination of individual interest, remuneration, Sore. The, the degree of centralization. Li, that is line of authority and scalar chain. O, Leo, order. Ek, EQ, ek, okay, equity. Stability of tenure of personal staff. And step, okay, STIP, IEP, step. So division of work, authority and responsibility, discipline, unity of command. By this you can understand the 10 points of the Henry Fayol's and you may write it. And apart from that, we'll move on to the next question, which is draw the two various structure. Okay, the first is the first functional organization structure. and second is the divisional structure. First is based on the function. Okay, so president, research and development manager, these all are the function. Finance manager, marketing manager, division, product. Okay, so here what they'll do under research and development, they'll design. So under the R&D manager, design, develop and testing. Finance manager, accounting, purchasing and finance. Marketing manager, sales and customer service. Division, product, line supervisor, production teams and distribution. So these all are the functional organization based on the function. Okay, when you have a lot of varieties of product, then it is based on the divisional structure, like division product X, division product Y, division product Z. In that functions will come R&D, marketing and function. So this is what you need to draw, and you have to give a brief explanation. What is function? The organization regarding function is functional one, and organization regarding department and divisions of products is, that is divisional one. After that you have got the question, what are the dimension or elements of business environment, to which you need to write or draw: economic environment, political environment, technological environment, legal environment and social environment. This is what you need to draw. By drawing this one and giving a brief explanation about them, you will get very easily 5 marks. So now another question is how the HR will go through with the various sources of recruitment. So these all are the HR, how he will go through with the various sources of recruitment. First he'll go through with the promotions, internal resource recruitment, like promotion, retirement, former employee transfer and internal advertisement. After that he'll go for the external recruitment, which is press advertisement, campus interview, placement agency, employment exchange, walk-in interview, e-recruitment and competitors. Like that, this is what you need to write when the question comes about the sources. After that, this is the objectives of planning. Okay, I mean the process and steps of planning. First we need to set objective. After that we need to develop some premises and identify the alternate course of action. After that we need to evaluate the alternate course of action, and we need to select one alternative and implement the plan, and we need to follow up the action. So these all are the steps of planning. This is another important questions. This will surely come for your practical oriented questions for 5 marks, and this is all the important questions we have gone through and discussed. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe, and do support to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.